How's your experience been so far in IMT?
Well, I came at IMT. I came to IMT with a total different experience, with a total different expectation. I only expected academics out of here.
IMT so far has been dream because I always dream of sleeping.
The experience has been fabulous. The moment I came to IMT, from that day onwards, I haven't got the time to sleep. And the most important part, I think, was the PDP, and I'm really loving it. I'm just loving it.
The experience in IMT has been wonderful. This is the first time I was in the hostel, and it has felt like home.
अच्छा रहा यार एक्सपीरियंस। वैसे तो हम लोग भी कॉलेज में पढ़े हुए इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड के हैं साले, लेकिन इतनी रैगिंग उन लोग कहीं खींच नहीं।
It's been really awesome, but the thing is that the PDP interaction, my God.
The day I have come, I just want to sleep.
The PDP session in the night were so hectic, and like every time a senior used to catch me and used to ask me what have you done, like after doing CA you are doing MBA, just a waste of time.
What does culture mean to you? When I say the term culture, what kind of thoughts does it arouse in your head?
For me, culture at IMT means various events where one gets numerous amount of opportunities to act, dance, sing, do whatever he wants to.
Culture is basically the religious sort of things in the personal life.
Culture basically means something diverse, yet a common thing for everyone to enjoy.
Culture means it's a combination of the
Culture means doing all other things other than academics. I mean, just being what you are.
कल्चर मीन्स द वे पीपल लीव, द वे पीपल, इट रिप्रेजेंट एक्चुअली द सोसाइटी। एंड जितने भी मस्ती मजाक होते रहते हैं कल्चर में, जो भी होता है उन लोगों का रहने तौर तरीके, दैट इज व्हाट कल्चर फॉर मी।
apart from that, the
Any expectations from Kal night?
Definitely, and even the after party.
यस श्योर, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। पता नहीं क्या होगा, आई एम इन अ रैम शो, और पता नहीं वहाँ पे टी में आने से सुनने में आया था कि बहुत चिल्लाते हैं, बहुत वोटिंग होती है, और कल रात को सीनियर्स ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि लड़कों को बिकनी पहन के चलना पड़ता है। आई एम सीरियसली कंफ्यूज क्या होने वाला है।
Exactly, so I'll get to know more about IMT, that is for sure. And I'll get to know more about the seniors, the way they live their life and how they enjoy. So it's basically going to be a fun night, sir.
Yeah, I'm looking forward. I mean, that's that day we'll have so much fun, and after that, our orientation week will also get end.
Take 2. So, how's been your experience in IMT so far?
it's been good.
Cultural committee conducts all sorts of events. They conduct events related to arts, dramatics, movies, music, dance, everything. And they have done a great job in the last year. And I hope the juniors keep up the good work. And I also hope that there's a good talent in the junior batch.
See, first of all, cultural committee is a totally different committee. They come up with innovative ideas every now and then. They had a karaoke night where I remember they also had an award for the worst singer of the night. Secondly, they provide you with a very good platform to showcase your talent in front of 900 people. And last but not the least, they provide you with a very good ambience on campus to enjoy life.
Calcom is basically about celebrating life at IMT. Over the last 1 year, we've had a lot of events like karaoke night, the dance competition Footloose. Even at Passion, our major college fest, Calcom organized a lot of events, about 15 events, like the business quiz, and we had also a rock competition that was organized. Looking forward to having more such events this year.